everyone, and welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Rebecca Kroll, and I am an associate attorney here at Richards and Jerusik. Today we're going to be discussing the new USCIS policy update issued on August 19th, 2025. This update is refining how officers are exercising discretion in adjudicating immigration benefit requests. Key areas include parole history, ideological behavior, social media activity, and any national interest concerns. These changes are effective immediately and apply to any currently pending cases and any new filings. USCIS is now directing officers to weigh whether an applicant's previous parole or admission request followed all relevant laws and regulations. This compliance would be considered a positive factor in these discretionary decisions. On the other hand, any involvement with anti-American ideologies, terrorist or anti-Semitic organizations, that would be a negative factor in these discretionary decisions. For social media, USCIS has expanded its screening to include the anti-American content review. Now, such material would, of course, be a detrimental influence in the decision for your application. Earlier policy from April 9th, 2025 had already required consideration of anti-Semitic content, including any support for anti-Semitic terrorist organizations, particularly amongst applicants for permanent residents and students. But it's something to be aware of. They are more vigorously reviewing social media. Now, like I said earlier, the policy is already in effect, and it applies to benefit requests submitted prior to the publication of this policy, as long as they remain pending. It explicitly supersedes any conflicting past guidance. So this is what you should be referring to. Now, applicants, you absolutely need to be aware that your behavior online is public. It can heavily influence your eligibility, and officers will take a look at it and take it into consideration. National security and public safety remain valid priorities, and these developments raise important considerations about the balance, fairness, and transparency in immigration policy. So as always, if you have any questions about how these changes may affect you or your ability to pursue an immigration benefit in the future, we advise reaching out to an experienced immigration attorney to give you personalized legal guidance. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or are interested in learning about our services, please feel free to reach out or visit our website at any time. Thank you.